Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a raging bull. Take a pencil and ruler and draw a grid that is 4 squares wide and 2 squares tall. Draw the head, nose, eyes, horns, ears, and steam coming out his nose. Draw the thigh, the tail and back. Draw the legs, with one leg bent, scratching the ground. Take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Add some cloudy bumps to the steam. Add some detail to the tuft of the tail. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. We can color the bull brown and yellow ochre. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.